MrBeast does it, Netflix does it, and now you can do it too. In this video, I will show you how you can easily dub your videos into other languages and gain more international reach. No matter if you speak English or इतालवी दर्शकों तक पहुंचना चाहते हो, parli hindi e voi raggiungere erreichen möchten. With this AI tool, you can do this now with just one click and for free. Let's get started. So what you first want to do is go to Elevenlabs.io. If you don't have an account, you can sign up here for free, or you sign up with your or sign in with the account you already have. I have already one, and this is how it looks like then. You got then here on this side the different menus, so speech, voices, projects, or new dubbing. So we hit dubbing here, and can give your project now a name, but it's, as it says, it's very optional. Or the now fun part is you select your source language. In my case, it would be English, and my target language. There are so many to choose from. It's insane. I choose Spanish in this case. You can have the choice to either upload an audio file. This can be up to 100 megabytes in size or 45 minutes long. Or the even more funnier part is to directly insert a YouTube link. So for my case, this is my old video here. These AI influencers, exactly. So I copy my link, paste the link here, and just hit create. I did this already here, so you can either then download the file or just view it. This is what we're gonna do right now. And
así que quiero escribir ahora bikini sexy aquí y intentar ejecutar esto de nuevo. Probable set.
I mean, it's really bizarre. I can't really believe that this is possible. So it got rid of my old English voice. You still have the background music that I put in, and it sounds in my same tonality if I would speak Spanish perfectly, I guess. It's really mind-blowing what technology has come to. Then I can just download here the file, and it downloads me the whole video. So you basically come up with a whole new video. With the video that you have now, you have two options. Either way, you create a new channel with all your Spanish or Thai or Hindi content, like MrBeast used to do with MrBeast and Espanol, to gain basically more audience through this. Or if you have already the new YouTube feature, to add multi-languages. MrBeast has this, of course, already. So if I show you this...
This is a $250 million private island.
That's in English, and then you have this little range settings icon here, and change the audio track in this case. So he has already so many different audio tracks just for this one video. And I'm gonna go for Spanish here, and hit play. And it plays it basically back in perfect dubbed Spanish. It's amazing. And to check if you have this feature and how you can add multiple audio tracks for other languages on your channel, you go to your channel icon, go into the YouTube studio, and then on the left side you want to make sure you go to subtitles, not to content, subtitles. Click on your content that you have, and then you add language here. So in my case, this would be Spanish here, Spanish. And if you have this new feature, unfortunately I don't have it yet. Subtitles is just the text subtitles, and then there would be an audio track where you can also add an audio track. Unfortunately, I don't have it. If you have it, please let me know. It would be really cool to see that other people already come up with it. And yeah, that's it. I also link you this YouTube help link where it explains it, how to upload the stuff if something changes. I hope this video was helpful to you. All the links are in the description down below, and see you in the next one. Ciao.
4-day weekend.